Hi traders and welcome to Elite Currency webinar. Today it's quick trading ideas, weekly trading ideas, and we will start with some potential trading ideas. As always, these are free ideas. For more ideas, guys, of course, join our trading sessions on our Elite Currency Live. So here, before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk. There is no suit for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. And also, guys, you can check out the performance of my account that I trade on myfxbook.com, more than a full year of performance. Euro dollar, these are quick ideas, so I will quickly go through slides. And this is it. For more, of course, trading ideas, as I say, join our Elite Currency live service. It's called ECS Live, and you can get it here, of course, on the website. And you can see here we have services, Forex and CFD. And basically, it's very, very easy to navigate here. You can sign up for, let's say, CS Live, or you can purchase our award-winning methods such as Camerla MACD or SWOT or Ultimate A. So basically, we are running with quick setups now based on my predictions from Camerla MACD. So full performance is on myfxbook.com. The account is more than 420% in gain at this point. Euro dollar, positional sell 1.1115 to 25. Stop loss is 1.1170. Target price 1.1040. Alternative buy 1.1040. Stop loss 1.1005. TP 1.1120. And hi everyone, hi Elia, if you joined right now. GBP dollar, I have a sell 1.2990 entry stop. This is typo, sorry guys. The stop is of course 30.35, and final TP is 29.10. Australian dollar 0.6920 entry, 0.6980 sell, TP 68.20. Positional sell 110.0 to 15, stop 110.50, target 109.50. And positional buy 1560 on gold, 1554 stop. And again, guys, sorry for the typo. Actually 1560, and final target is, I think this is typo, 1560 and 1567. So 70 pips. This is actually 70 pips. 70 Forex pips. Okay. So here we go. Yeah, dollar yen. Yeah, okay. 109.68 to 50. This is the zone. So you need to protect your trades. You need to protect your trades. I think between 68 and 50, you might actually go for that. So regarding your question for dollar CAD, I don't have any setup. Dollar CAD is definitely ranging here. It can go up, it can go down. Really very, very hard to predict where the market will go. At this point here, I don't see any setup that can actually be valid. So it's ranging market. Market doesn't go anywhere. It can go down. It can go down, but it can also go up. So no setup for that market. On the GBP dollar side, as I'm already in a trade, we might have a continuation lower if 30.35 holds. This is ATR projection high. So we might see a drop. And on gold, I have some 10 pips of profit at this point. I'm long at this point on gold. So basically, this is it. For dollar yen, if the market starts to reject, this is potential short trade. Yes, 109.70 to 109.50 is the zone. This is it, guys. So this webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded. These are quick trading ideas. I will go through slides again. And for more trading ideas, join up for ECS live service. These are our stats. Last week we had 16 setups, 12 wins, only 4 losses, 212 possible pips. Very, very profitable week. And all of these last couple of months were extremely, extremely profitable. So all of trades are tracked here and also are shown on my FX book. Thank you for listening, guys. I wish you to trade safe, and I will see you soon, guys. Okay, cheers and trade safe. See you soon.